my channel. Thank you so much for joining today. Today's video is a little bit of a different video for this channel, although saying that, by the time this video goes up, you guys will have been seeing some cleaning videos from me. But I have actually decided on this channel to start doing some speed clean, more organising, tidying, those kind of videos. And yes, that's right, I have jumped on the Hinch bandwagon. Not that that's a bad thing in any way, I don't think. This video is not going to be super Christmassy, although there is one or two, actually there's a few Christmassy themed kind of things in this video. Ignore the phone, I do. So let's get into it and see what we got. This is kind of like a B&M cleaning slash Mrs. Hinch made me do it kind of haul. So let's get into it. So, I can't remember out of these now which ones were Hinch inspired and which ones I just got. And also, I do watch other people on YouTube as well. I know Mrs. Hinch isn't on YouTube. But I do watch a lot of YouTube videos and I get ideas from other people as well. I don't always remember who it was that had mentioned what. But I'm going to lift this up because otherwise, you know, we're just going to be up and down. So, all these goodies, I'm so excited! So the first thing I'm going to show you is this. Now, I love this. I use this in the bathroom. Oh, in fact, my other one is right here. There's about half left in that. But I wanted to get another one. I wanted to use it in the kitchen, but it is a specific bathroom one. But I did find another one and I haven't smelled it yet, so I'm going to smell it now. And this one is like an all-purpose one, so this one I will use in the kitchen. But I got that, it smells really nice and I like to use it in the bathroom and I might even use it elsewhere as well, but you know, picked one of them up. So the next one I got was this one, which I believe is the same kind of thing because it's Flash with Febreze, but it's an all-purpose one, so I'm guessing obviously I can use that one. I could use that in the bathroom or I could use it in the kitchen. So, I mean, I don't want to like be weird, but I want to smell it. So let's just spray it. Ooh! Ooh, okay. Ooh, yeah, it does smell nice. I don't think it's quite as nice as the other one. And I think it might be leaking. I did actually have a little disaster in the shop where I'd got another one of it and it leaked everywhere, and now I think that one might be leaking, but anyway, it's all good. Yeah, it smells nice. The other one smells so good though. It does smell nice, but not as nice. Does that make sense, you guys? Do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, got that. Then, so we do have some Christmassy things here now, what's this one? I got two of these. This isn't a massive haul, by the way. This is only going to be a short video. Don't you worry about that. So I got these ones. Oh, these ones are not Christmas. Oh, well that one is. Oh my god, I just talk a lot of crap. So, I don't think I've smelled these yet, but let's smell them. I mean, I know you guys can't smell them, but... Ooh. Yeah, like, oh, I love that one. Right, so that one is the Tie Escape one. Now, I do have to say, I think the reason that I got this is I have got another one and I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of like this but gold. If anybody knows which one I'm talking about, then please let me know. But it smells so nice and I got it out maybe a few weeks ago to spray. I don't know how long I'd had it for, but it reminds me of something and I don't know what. And I'm thinking maybe my mum used to have it when I lived at home and that's what it's reminding me of, but this is really nice as well. So yeah, that's the pink one slash Tie Escape. I think there's like certain ones that are like the Thai versions, and they're supposed to be like Oriental like, and I'm sure it's one of them and it's like gold and it's really nice. But that's nice too. Ah! So anyway, moving on to the next one. Let's see what this one smells like. So this one is Vanilla Latte. Now this is obviously from the packaging. It's going to be one of the sort of Christmassy ones. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Very nice. I love Febreze. I do love Febreze. So that is that. I believe these will have been $1.99, possibly $1.50. I think the Glade ones are $1.50 and these ones are $1.99. But yeah, just love them. I love myself a bit of air freshener. I just love it. With having animals and that and working with kids and stuff, do you know what I'm saying? Of course you blooming do. Now so far you're probably thinking there's not a lot of hinchy kind of things going on. I'm getting to it, you guys, and you probably know what it is that I'm getting to, but I'm getting to it. So the next things I got were these candles. Now, I did mention in my Primark haul, I believe, which might be up now, might not, but Glade candles are the freaking bomb.com. When it comes to scented candles, these probably are the best ones you can get, and especially they're affordable. Oh my god! So this is a Christmas one. I think it's a Christmas one. Actually, maybe it's not a Christmas one. But it's reminding me of Christmas, so maybe I use it at Christmas time. Does anybody else think it's crazy how, like, strong scent memory is? It's insane. And it's like the feeling that it gives you when it's so weird. And I'm getting it from this big time, man. I don't know. But we did used to use these when I lived at home with my mum as well. So maybe it's that. But this is the honey and chocolate one. Now for me, I'm feeling like this is a Christmassy scent. I'm definitely feeling like this is a Christmassy scent. I'm not sure if it is intended to be or not, but it smells nice. I like it. I really like it. So this one, I probably would have never thought to get, but this is a bit of a Hinch thing going on. She's got a bit of a thing for pine, doesn't she? So I found this one in the old B&M, and this is Frosted Pine, and this is a Febreze one. Now, I'm not sure about the Febreze ones for strength. The Glade ones, you can smell them. There's so many scented candles out there where you can't really smell them. You can smell, like the Glade one makes your room smell, do you know what I'm saying? But with this Febreze one, I'm not sure. I've not got more, what is that? Oh, that smells really familiar as well, and I'm not sure. I feel like it smells like a man though. Anyway, I'm so sorry you guys. So this is a Glade one. I'm not 100% sure how strong this is going to be when it's lit, but we will find out and I will let you guys know. I will keep you posted. Obviously, this is like a Christmassy kind of one, so there we go. Okay, obviously, I picked up some Zaflora. I picked up quite a lot of Zaflora actually. I've never used it before in my life, and now I have 4 bottles of it. So, they're all different. So the first 3 that I saw, I think these were like £1 or $1.99 or something like that. Were they 99p? They were cheap anyway, and I was quite impressed. But I got the Christmassy ones. So we've got cranberry and orange. I mean, I'm not going to be able to use all of these like in December, am I? Like, it's just not going to happen. Let's smell that one. It smells like you could drink it, and I feel like that's so scary. That's nice, I like that. Probably not going to be my favourite one. Orange and cranberry, yeah. I'm not a massive orange fan, but I do like that, it's cute. And then we've got Winter Spice, which is sounding like it's going to be more up my alley. I am a sucker for spiced apple type things, and this has obviously got that kind of spiced. Oh, mulled wine. Oh, I do love a good glass of mulled wine. I do. And then the next one is Warm Cinnamon, which again I think is going to have that kind of smell to it. Oh yeah. Oh, oh my god, it went on my face. I'm going to die. People have made me scared about this because a lot of people talk about like animals and it not being safe for animals and that. I'm thinking about doing a Truth About Zaflora video because I think there is some misconception going on. Anyways, I think that's probably my favourite one. And then the other one I got, speaking of animals, was the pet friendly one. But it's not, I don't think it's that it's pet friendly. Anyway, I might be doing a video on that. So this one is in the scent Mountain Air, and this is obviously a bigger one. This one was more, it was more money. I can't remember how much. It wasn't mega expensive though, and I think it will last ages. But it smells really, really good. Like, it smells really, really fresh. So that's Mountain Air scent, and it does smell really, really fresh. So these are the only Zafloras that I've got. And I know, like, there's so many different scents of it. I don't feel like there was that much option. I feel like these were the main options that were going on in B&M at this point. Probably just because we are at that time of year and people are, like, all into, like, the Christmassy, wintry scents. So I am really excited to get my house smelling. Oh, these are limited edition, by the way. I just read that just there. But yeah, I'm very excited about it, and I'm going to be using them soon. And there might be some videos coming. Some more, like, I don't know, cleaning videos coming. If you guys are into that, if you guys are interested in that, then yeah. So, is that everything that I got? I think that's everything that I got. I wanted to get some of that pink stuff. You know that like pink like cream that comes in like a tub kind of stuff. But they didn't have any there, and yeah, so I didn't get any, obviously. Duh. I think that's everything that I got this time round. I'm definitely going to be getting on that bandwagon and doing lots of like organising and sorting stuff out kind of videos. So if you do want to see that, leave me some comments down below and let me know that you want to see it, and I will film it for you all. If you enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up. I hope you're all having a super awesome Vlogmas so far, and I hope you are as excited as I am about Christmas, and I love you guys so much. You are like my family. I love you so much. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I love you and goodbye.